What's up, world? Back again with another video. About to get loaded up again and whatnot. I just drove by my trailer. This one's gonna be a light one, man. This one's gonna be fairly easy, so I'll be able to run through it here pretty quick. Right now I'm about to drop this trailer and go by my other trailer, hook up, and then strap down. Then I'm on the way, man. So show y'all how it's done. Also, I'm gonna show y'all some of the snacks and some of the things that I be buying at the truck stops. It's really nothing too serious, man. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the prices too, cause the things that I be buying, I'm like, bruh, why y'all doing truckers like this, bro? Like, why do these truck stops be wanting to tax us like that, bro? Like, I don't understand. One, they put unhealthy food in the truck stops. So I'm like, wait, y'all don't want truckers to be healthy? I don't get it. And then two, they overcharge for the unhealthy food. And then they definitely gonna tax you on the quote unquote healthy food. Like, you buy a cup of fruit, they be thinking they cutting you a deal, talk about some 2 for $6 for a cup of fruit. And then in the cups, they be having like 8 pieces of pineapple. They give you a handful of grapes. Like, bro, I'm trying to eat healthy, and here you go trying to short me on the fruit and tax me at the same time. Like, bro, so it's not gonna fill me up. So I'm gonna have to spend more money on more fruit or buy something that's just unhealthy. So I don't get these truck stops, but I'm gonna bring y'all along at the truck stops. I got a shower and stuff too, so I'm gonna bring y'all along, show y'all how it's done. And y'all see I got the new shades on, bro. You won't believe what happened to my other shade. My favorite ones too. Brown and the orange, like, that color combo is crazy, bro. Like, that's a sick color combo, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, RIP to my shades. But I got these and I got my other ones in the bag too, so it's all good. But these were my favorite ones, and I hate that they broke on me like that. But it is what it is. I gotta try to find them again. But hey, I'm gonna bring y'all along, show y'all how I do it, man. Show y'all how I strap this type of load, because this one's a little bit different. It's not like, it's a Lowe's load, but it's different. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, show y'all how it's done, man. I'm done talking. Y'all already know, like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, go back and watch some of my previous videos. Leave a comment on those videos. Tell me how you feel about them. Y'all already know how I get down. Let's get to it. Y'all already know. Let's go time. I know I'm strong, but I didn't know I was that strong. Boom, had to pull that. Gotta let down your landing gear. Oh, it's smooth. It's smooth now. Whoa. Oh, bro, she fixed it right. It's A1. All right. Damn, my boy is good parking. Somebody calling me. I am in no position to answer, my friend. Whoever that is. It's calling on my other phone. I'm busy. Alright, so I just uncoupled. There I is. There I be. Boys, we back. They ain't in the shade. Ain't nobody tripping because the money already made. Just like we're thinking in a major way. Alright, so I'm all evened up. Alright, so I'm about to drop this landing gear, hook up, strap down, going out of town. All that wrong. You already know. And I'm doing fine. Perfect time. Money on my mind. Staying on the grind. Jan and genuine. Let me stop. I can keep going and going. Hey, coming over. Working on working too. Hey, coming over. Coming over. So this is the finishing touch. Bro, it's kind of hard, bro. I can't record and crank down on these straps at the same time because of how I have my phone hooked up. So I can't, and I wanted to finish fast. So shoot, it didn't take me no time. Probably took me about 30 minutes. No more than 45, 40 minutes, honestly. So got a couple of straps, a couple of portable straps just to play it safe. That's just wood. So like I said, it was easy load. Another portable strap at the end. Like I said, portable strap at the end. I think this will be fine. I was kind of concerned about this, but I might just lift this off the end. Because I don't want it to be flying off when I'm driving. So another portable strap right there. We got some like fencing on the top, like that middle fencing. So basically the majority is just wood, so just strap it down. You got one pallet of sheetrock. That's pretty much it. So yeah, that's it for this load. Let me go help my boy out with his tarp. I'll be right back. Gotta help my boy out. I had to wait. I got this at 6:30. It is now 8:10. I'm just getting out the shower, so I had to wait over an hour just for a shower at this Lowe's. So I'm only 40 miles away, so I'll still make it by 9 o'clock. But I'm definitely pushing it, so gotta hurry up and get up out of here. Make sure I didn't leave anything. Bro, I done left so many facial wash and soaps, bro, at these Lowe's. Like, not a second, third check. So leaving out now. I said I was gonna grab some snacks, but bro, I literally don't have the time to grab snacks. So I gotta hurry up and get to my truck. I parked so far. Hey, how you doing? Look, they waiting for a shower, bro. I know they. Bro, that wait so long, bro. People are agitated. Once again, Lowe's got some clean showers, bro. Never fails. Shout out to Lowe's for having clean showers. Yeah, I got everything. Got my dirty clothes, my towel, backpack, got my keys. I always check y'all truck before y'all take off. I done heard some stories, so. Actually, the police officer, he told me that. He was like, man, some of these truckers be messing with your stuff. Which makes no sense. Because that's actually putting their life in jeopardy. Like, what if you do something to my truck and we end up next to each other? I don't know. But he said that some truckers be like that. They be on that type of time, so. I'm to my truck, bro. Y'all see how far I park. It's the only parking available. All right, so I'm checking my straps, making sure they still tight. Low looking good still. All right, everything is tight still. A little loose on the back, but ain't nothing. It's a portable shirt, so just take down. Get tight now. I got my finger all in the camera. Come on, bro. Super tight. Rest in peace, Pimp C. Alright. With good money. Checking the tires. Everything looks good. Alright, so checked everything. Everything looked good. I'm straight. When I walked by homie in the truck next to me, bro, he got his TV mounted so dope, bro. Like, that's a sign, bro. That's a sign. I just made a video, a DIY on decorating a sleeper, and walked by his truck. He got his windows down because it feels good outside, and he got his TV mounted, bro. It looks super dope too. It's coming soon. I definitely need a TV because when I'm chilling, I'm watching League Pass on my phone, bro. I want to watch these Rockets games. I want to watch these NBA games on the TV. So it's coming soon. Just got to be patient. But let me get on this road, man. Let me stop. Let me get on this road because about 40 miles away, and I want to be there by 9, but I'm gonna be there a little past 9, which is fine because my 10-hour resets will be finished by like 7 something, and 9 times out of 10 they won't even be done unloading my trailer at that time. So I'll still be able to leave at a decent time, and I won't just be sitting around waiting for my 10 hours. So let me get there and I'll touch back with y'all.